Yo, really tryna get rich. Like, let me not lie. I got a sweet one side of my ride, strapped up deep in the passenger side.
Right now we're en route to them, man. Man's got to turn up the towel drip. Django's all the way back there jamming to his tunes and that. Them man all went club last night, but me, I'm not really a clubbing type, I'm not even gonna lie, so I just baked off. Built 1, 2 zoots, you know what I'm saying? We should be there in like a couple of minutes. So yeah, man, but look at the views though, like the views are nuts, man. The views are insane, but yeah, man. These hills are not a joke, fam. What you got going on over here, cuz? Got your nice little pieces of, what's that, bacon?
Pancetta.
Pancetta! I see you got the pot boiling. Steamy, bubbly. You saying, what are you telling them? Yo, you look bakey. I'm trying to see what this is saying though. Bro, let me go say that. I go to this out, bro. Quick thing, man, go on, bro. You have to go in there, rinse off, bro. Go in there. Go in and out, broski. That show was cold, you know. That show was cold, you know.
Oh, frosty. Oh, this feels good.
Well, turn the bubbles on, cuz.
Look at my phone.
Oh, look at the bubbles, kid. Get bubbly. What you telling them, Django?
Yeah, man.
So you feeling nice, yeah? What you telling them to over there? Hey, what you say, don't get in, cuz? Huh? It's a bit too warm.
Oh, I left my zoot on the table.
You left my zoot on the table? Yeah, you should have thought about that, bro. Go get it, bro. Man's gonna enjoy my hot tub session. You get what I'm saying?
We
live in life. I can't lie and say nothing. This guy was the host and he showed out still. Say that and say that. Oh shit, my hand's wet. Well, I needed my babes right here. I'm chatting shit, I don't really know. Oh, sit down. Yo, remember. Sit down. Oh shit, he's gone. He's gone, you can't even see him. Hey bro, he's gone, you can't even see him. Oh shit. Oh, he's back.
I look defeated from that.
This is day like 3, 4, 3. Day 3? Day 3 or day 4?
Day 4.
Day 4, day 4, day 4, day 4. Got your phones. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we outside. We're still not trusting these bitches. Man, this is well deserved, but yeah, man.
The next day.
What you saying? Every man can't fit in one, nah? We had to go to the boat. Well, look at this boat, bro. Where the fuck is he looking like that? What, are you sure these men are down here?
No.
I said no. Can you not even see them man running, fam? How can them man go all the way to the other side, fam? Look at them running, don't kill me.
For you.
Oh, man got the bust down rollie, cuz. Where's your bust down rollie, fam?
See you come, man.
See you come, bro. Show them the bust downs, cuz. Yeah, man. Imagine someone just dropped it. Jack away holding the woman, bro.
You can buy beers, cocktails, and Coca-Cola.
Ocean breeze. Water's looking clean. I'm feeling 100 degrees. See where they got a whole batch. Oh, love for that one. Them man got the whole front of the boat patterned, yeah. In this life, you can't trust these bitches. Never trust them. Show them your dance. Yeah, them man try to drag race us, but them man are in the lead though, I can't even lie. You're risking it all right now, broski. Sure, it's nice over there, yeah? Take a seat, bro. Oh. You know, it's bakey still, yeah, man. It's nice, man. We outside, man. We on a boat. We on a boat. We on a boat. Man's got the trunks to match the bust down Rolex still. Ain't no way Donnie came with the, say a word. But you need this, yeah? Do a flip, bro.
Now you
have to do a flip, bro. I mean your sliders. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's good.
Hey. Hey.
Are you jumping in, yeah? Whee! I do a flip, Aye! How they got 5 man on the thing? Oh, she's gonna jump. Live. Go, you have to do a flip, broski. Flip. And I just jump in, go on with your rubber ring. Don't worry, man will save you. And look here. I do a flash. Alright, Django, are you good over there, cuz? You can't move. Go on, do a backwards dive, cuz. Oh! You're looking the wrong way, mate.
To your right.
To your right, to your right.
To your right, mate.
Oi!
Oh, my back.
How is it big? W is though. Oh, 28.
Django kiss? No.
Bring me in on the 2, man. Django's chatting to both of them, you know. Say that to Django.
Gally's cooking still, she's cooking.
Show us Gally, man. Show us Gally.
She's cooking.
It's hot. Ooh, say that.
No, she's
Say that to you, man. W Riz. Oh shit.
What's that, bro? That man driving a forklift.
Oh, they're driving a forklift. W forklift driver. Where are we going, tour guide?
We're going to the other side of the island. There's a nice, beautiful, preserved beach over here too.
Okay. Looks nice around here.
Here's the DJ booth.
DJ booth, yeah. I go and pay us up. Oh shit, it's actually playing something, yeah.
Sounds like a little Polo G song.
What are you not doing down there?
That's the shit you gotta watch out for.
Oh, that black spiky thing.
Yeah.
2 seconds later.
Oh, bro, wait, show them. Brother.
He's moving.
Oh, look what Donny has just got out of the fucking sea, bro.
Oh, it's
Bro, Donny actually got it, bro. Oh, they got us walking through the village. What is it, a mad staircase? Oh my days.
Kung Fu Panda.
Man say Kung Fu Panda, you know. The view from here, though. Yeah, this one here is crazy still.
Get out the shop, man.
Here, man, I was here first, cuz. We had a castle, we finally here, man. Woo. Guys alive, man. Yeah, man. I'm the first one to step inside of the castle. Oh, hello.
10 euros to get in.
Hi.
No. Yeah, I'm going to Ashton, yeah. Wow. I'm going to
So, this is what's gonna happen.
Whoa.
We are leaving. I can see our boat. That's our boat right there, that big one right there, sir. Oh shit! Oh, I thought that was a bat, fam. That's a butterfly. Let me see a Django.
Yeah, man, I can't lie. I'm loving the view.
Oh, you're dark, fam. Wait, hold on. Oh, there you go. Don't kill me. The only thing that'll make this video better right now is if I had a haircut.
Bombastic side-eye.
20 minutes later.
Reuniting with our boat, cuz. I'm gonna be the first one on this bitch. Oh, yeah, do that. Slap that rocket. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I know the wind is nuts, but we on our way to the other side. Hey, listen to the wind. We just landed, boys. Say nothing, man, them W-Riz, man, them W-Riz, say that. We are here trying to survive these treacherous winds, man. There's winds on like 100 miles an hour right now. Happy birthday to you. Where you from?
Canada.
You're from Canada? Is it? Well, how long are you here for?
How long?
How long are you here for?
In Split?
Yeah.
Only another day.
Only another day. How long you been here?
4 days.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
4 days. How do you like it?
We liked it a lot.
It's alright, it's alright.
Honestly, I'm excited to go to Dubrovnik as well.
Oh, okay. What, you say you leave tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, well, how old are you?
24.
Oh, 24. Oh, yeah. What, do you have Instagram?
I do.
Can I get it?
Alright.
2 hours later.
Brother, how the fuck have you managed this?
What, you want me to stir it?
Yeah, bro, I do want you to stir that.
It's fine, man.
Oh, with ease.
Guess what?
Oh.
No.
You broke it.
No, it's gangster. No, keep it gangster, man. It's fine.
Yeah, alright.
Vasco, you know that song? Yeah? We put out the pasta like it's crack.
We put like pasta like it's crack.
You know that song? Yeah. Yeah. You know that song? Yeah.
Let me grab some of that.
Yeah.
Women on the bed like a cat. Day number 5 or number 6 or number 7 or whatever day it is right now. Django all stepped out to go get breakfast and that. Bro, I CBA, man. It's 3 p.m. right now, fam. I'm waking up at 3 p.m. Today, I might just hit up the beach. I already built my zoot here. I got my big 5-litre carton of Bravo. Come on, get it correct. I was about to just go bake off upstairs on the deck chair. The sunbeds and all of them sunshines and them, man. I'm cash, man, innit? Obviously, I can't even show you lot what I'm about to do, but just know we living a good life out here, innit? Yeah, man. I'll get back to you, man, later.
The next day.
Yeah. What are you telling them, cuz?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna sit on already, fam.
We're about to bang this little TikTok real quick. That day, so they get one more. I did. Say now, we about to bang a little TikTok right now. Hold on. Wait. We on our way to rafting, because rafting's what we do, and when we go to raft with you, the sea is very blue. Hello guys, we're going rafting! We're going rafting! Hi boys!
Tim, will it be another bus for us to get on?
There he is. There is the boy. There's our host. Man, them are alive, yeah. Hey, listen, we're about to go on the water, man, so you, man? Man, I'll be back, man, I'll be back.
So where's the prince?
Hey, I can't lie, that was lit, man. Listen, them man took bare pictures on the thing, so man's just gonna slap all the pictures right here.
It's steps. Thought I missed a beat drop, but I ain't never. Seats in a Rover, know that they leather. I've been uptown tryna cut me a sweater. Uptown bougie, finest of things. Nails on fleet, just up on the rings. Lay back, might call me a king. No, I'ma take flight, just tell me you in. Just say that you in, just say that you rolling. Niggas want acts, so now I'm patrolling. With this bad beat, and she got motion. Gripping a strap, so I'm in the ocean. Stick on my side, I'll buy you a ring. Pretty little smile, just give me a grin. Real as it gets, tell you anything. No, we go work out like we in the gym.
Well, in French. Yeah. I love it.
Let me do my Don't Trust Bitches dance.
The next day.
Oh, day number 7. Oh my God, Django, what we saying about day number 7, fam?
Get me home, man. I'm tired.
Man said get me home, yeah, man. I can't lie, I'm ready, man. I'm ready, but our flight is at 8:30. Not even 8:30, 8:55. So we got like a good. Bro, I don't even know the fucking time right now. Hold on. 11:15. So we got like. That means we got like 6 hours, cuz. 6 fucking hours, brother. Look at all this rubbish we've accumulated over the week, fam. I'm happy that I don't have to shower in the shower again. Imagine when man was showering, yeah, bro. Guys can just see it out, bro. Like, do you get what I'm saying? No curtains, no nothing, brother.
2 hours later.
It's finally that time, man. Time right now is 5:19. Flight's at 9 o'clock. But we gotta get there for 7. And we wanna go to MacD's. So we're trying to get cab to MacD's around about now. Get there for about 5:30, 5:45. Eat and get to the airport, you know what I'm saying? Give ourselves enough time. What you saying about that one, broski?
That sounds like a plan to me, fam.
Oh shit, wait, hold on, it's blurry, hold on. They're trying to say they don't recognize broski, hold on.
That sounds like a plan to me.
Okay, alright, that's better. Alright, pattern, I got something in store. I hope so. This guy best be Gara, man. I'll leave them the rest of these 6. I'll leave them the shit Gizza Rizla. And I'll leave her 2 lighters that I robbed from her, innit? That's a seat back, innit?
Thank you, all the best. Take care about you.
You too. Thank you for having me. I'm literally just saying, bro, I'm not saying bye. And Gelly just pops out of the corner. Yeah, I think that's him. Yeah, I definitely him. Thank you, guys. I'm opening the door for Django like he's on Beanie. I had to go with the same shit, bro. You know the usual, fam. Chicken box and 9 nuggets, 6 strips and 2 fries, and a Fanta and no house. Come on, gang shit. And look at the munch we got going on, man. Last meal in and out Croatia. You know what I'm saying? I had to come with a full Fanta because last time they made Django's thing come up to like this, up to like halfway in it. Time right now, 6:11. We got 50 minutes to get to the airport, innit? So we're gonna munch this and then go straight. UK need to up their fucking food production, and these beanies coming over here now. That should be W Riz. Go on, Django. Go open the door for me, broski. Nah, you get in first.
Feeling like Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela, go get him, bro. Bro, ladies first, brother. I'll wait the whole day, brother.
I'm missing this flight.
There you go. I say that. Ladies first, broski. Hopped out the cabbie feeling like a new man. We live, man. Rate the whole trip 1 to 10.
Whole trip, I'll give that like a solid 7.
A 7?
Yeah, man.
Do you know what? That's pretty. That's good. That's
Pretty
good.
standard. Pretty standard.
That's standard. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Do you know what? I'll give it a 7.5. Do you know why? Yesterday did it for me. I'm not gonna lie. After
I was in like the whole holiday.
Are you deaf, guys?
Even the cab journey from the McDonald's and the wooden things there.
Rate the whole trip 1 to 10. Do you know what? It started off as a 5, and then it went up to a 7 when we went on the boat trip, and then yesterday when we did the rafting, that's when it went up to a 7.5. Could have been an 8, but nah, man. Yeah, man. J-Man's with this big old suitcase. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Got my yak, man. Bust it right now for us. Bust it for us, man. Good. What's that tasting like? 1 to 10. 8. Oh. Yeah, man. You already know how to just go cut me 2 more bottles, fam. I literally just got. I got a little Malalalabu, you know, that's my favourite drink. Little Disaronno still, I can't lie, I like this with Coke, I'm not gonna lie. We outside with the airplanes and them, man. Come on. Django said I can get the window seat on the way back in.
2 hours later.
We made it, man. I can't lie, I did not think I was gonna get to the end of them 7 days, I'll be real. Bro, better spot than that, fam. There we go. That's the end of Croatia 2023, man. We ain't got nothing else to tell them. We're just happy to be back alive.
I need my bed, bro.
Yeah, that word. Listen, man, say that, man. We're out of this bitch, man. Done, no.